In this month's lesson on Inspired to Paint, we are going to learn how to paint these sweet little David Austin roses from my garden, along with this beautiful little ginger jar. I have the setup here. I paint it from life. You will get the photo reference image so that you can paint along with me. What we're really going to focus in on this lesson, though, is texture and how adding texture to your paintings can bring more dimensionality to your work. We are also going to discuss how to harmonize your paintings. There is alizarin in just about every mix that I used, in the roses, in the leaves, in the ginger jar. The background and even the white cloth has a touch of alizarin crimson. And by doing that, I've created harmony with the entire painting. I had a lot of fun painting it, and I think it will inspire you to paint.